Hello everyone, in this video we will create Gantt chart with a progress bar equal using if function using days for the end date today close parenthesis comma for the start date this one close parenthesis greater than 0 comma for the value if true let's copy this paste it here comma for the value false empty close parenthesis equal using if function days function for the end date this one comma for the start date today function close parenthesis again close parenthesis greater than 0 comma let's copy this and paste it here empty close parenthesis. We'll select these two, apply to all, select these two column. Let's copy this data, select the chart and paste it here. Right click the chart and change chart type combo, change all three chart to stack bar charts. All three charts should be the primary axis. Now select the blue color bar, right click, format data series, no fill, no line.